Today let us take up coefficient correlation. In biostatistics, we are going to discuss about the coefficient correlation. So far we have studied a single character with reference to frequency. Now we are going to see the two characters and we are comparing with reference to two characters. That is called correlation. And say for example we are taking 10 fishes. The 10 fishes weight is taken and corresponding length is also taken. How the weight correlates with length, that is the study which we are going to study in this coefficient correlation. So the definition is, the coefficient correlation is the study of how two variations are related to each other. That is the definition. Then we are going to see the formula for finding out the coefficient correlation. Coefficient correlation. Definition we have studied, then formula. Formula is the sum of R is equal to sum of dx into sum of dy divided by square root of sum of dx square into sum of dy square. That is the formula. Now we will be taking the procedure. First one definition, second is formula, third one is procedure. First thing is data is taken, data, that is weight of fish. 10 fish we are taking, 10 fishes weight will be tabulating. Then length of fish, length of fish, 10 fishes will be taking and we will be measuring the length. Second is the mean, arithmetic mean of length of weight is calculated. That is the sum of x divided by n. Sum of x divided by n. So x will be adding and it is divided by number of fishes, that is 10. Like that, arithmetic mean of length, that is y by, that is say n. So the number of fishes is 10. So this is called arithmetic mean. This is y, this is called x dash and this is called y dash, arithmetic mean. Third one is then how far, that is the dx, that is dx means how far the deviation from the mean. The observed data is deducted from mean, that is called dx, and observed data is deducted from mean, that is dy. That is in case of this is weight is dx, deviation, and this is dy, that is the x minus x dash and y minus y dash. The third one. Fourth one is then multiplied, the dx and dy is multiplied, that is the dx and dy, dx and sum of dx and sum of dy is multiplied. Then fifth one, sum of dx square and sum of dy square is multiplied and then square root. It is square rooted. The square root of sum of dx square and dy square is calculated. Then sixth one, the sum of dx and dy is divided by sum of dx and dy is divided by square root of sum of dx square and dy square is calculated. This is called coefficient correlation. This is known as R. This is R. R is equal to dx sum of dx dy divided by square root of sum of dx square sum of dy square. So these things we have to see. Next we will be seeing, we will tabulate the data and then we will calculate all the things. So 10 rows we have to make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10 rows we have to make. Columns, 7 columns. First column, second column, third column, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So totally 7 columns we have to make and 10 rows we have to make. So the first fish weight is taken, that is 46, then the length is 8. Then second fish 52, 9, third fish 58 ton, then 64 ton, 69, 12, then 71, 12, 71, 13 and 75, 14, 78, 14, then 84, 14 and then 93, 14, 93, 15, 84, 15, 93, 15. So the sum of x is equal to, we have to add all the things. We have to sum up all the x value, that is weight of fish. This is length of fish. Sum of x is equal to, that is 690. So arithmetic mean is equal to 690 divided by 10 is equal to 69. Like that, similarly, the sum of y is 120. Sum of y is 120. Then y dash is equal to, that is arithmetic mean of length of fish is equal to 120 divided by 10 is equal to 12. Now x minus x dash. What is x? X is the observed data. X is 46 minus 69 is equal to, that is 23. Similarly, 52 minus 69 is equal to minus 17. Then 58 minus 69 is equal to, that is minus 11. 64 minus 69 minus 5, and then 69 minus 69 is equal to 0. 71 minus 69 2. 75 minus 69 6. 78 minus 69 is equal to 9, and then 84 minus 69 15. Then 93 minus 69 is equal to 24. So this is called dx, that is deviation from the mean, dx. And similarly the y is the observed data is 8 and the mean is 12. 8 minus 12 is equal to minus 4. 9 minus 12 minus 3. Then 40 minus 12 minus 28. 40. 9 minus 12. Then 8. Sorry, this is 10. This should be 10. That is, this is 10 minus 12 is equal to minus 2. Then 10 minus 12, 8 minus 12, 9 minus 12, and then 10 minus 12, and then again 10 minus 12, 12 minus 0, 12 minus 12 minus 12 0. Then 13 minus 12 is equal to 1. 14 minus 12 is equal to 2. 14 minus 12 2. 15 minus 12 3. 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. So 4 3 2 2 0 1 2 2 3 3. So sum of the x square, this is sum of x square will come, sum of this is dx, this is dy, dx dy. Then dx square, the minus 23 is dx, and 23 into 23 minus 23 into minus 23 is equal to 529. Similarly, minus 17 into minus 17 is equal to 289. Like that we have to calculate. The dx is 11 into 11, 11 into 11, 121. Then 5 into 5, 25, 5 into 5, 25, 0, 2 into 2, 4, 6 into 6, 36, 81, 15 into 15, 225, then the 24 into 24, 576. So dx square we have found out. Similarly, we have to find out dy square. This is y, dy is equal to minus 4, dy square 16. 4 into 4, minus 4 into minus 4 is equal to 16. Like that. Minus 3 into minus 3, 9. Minus 2 into minus 2, 4. Similarly, we have to find out, then minus 2, again 4, minus 2 into minus 2, 4, 0 into 0 is equal to 0, then 1 into 1 is equal to 1, then 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9, then 3 into 3 9. So this is dy square. The sum of dx square is equal to 1896. Sum of dy square is equal to 60. Now we have to find out dx and dy. This is dx into dy. Sum of dx into dy, that is dx is minus 23 into dy is equal to minus 4. This is 92. Similarly, we have to find out dx and dy. This is dx, 17 into dy. This is dy, 17 into 3, 51. 17 into 3, 51. Similarly, the dx is 11, dy is 2, that is 22. Then 10, 5 into 10, 5 into 2, 10, 0, 2, then 12, then 18, 45, 72. So this is sum of dx and dy is equal to, it is coming to 324. So now we have to substitute all the values with the formula. R is equal to coefficient correlation, that is R is equal to sum of dx into sum of dy divided by square root of sum of dx square, sum of dy square. So R is equal to dx is equal to, that is dx dy 324 divided by dx square is 1896 into dy square is 60 is equal to 324 square root of 1,13,760. Then R is equal to 324. The square root comes to 337.28. 337.28, which is coming to 0.960. So this is called coefficient correlation. So the coefficient correlation is positive. That is, it is almost equivalent to 1. That is, when the weight of the fish increases, simultaneously the length is also increases to the almost equivalent to one time. That is that we have arrived. The coefficient correlation is 960. This is called positive correlation to the time of 0.960. That we have found out. So the coefficient correlation is to correlate the weight and length of the fish. That is coming to 960. With this, we conclude this video.